Meet Kathy. The roof on Kathy's house is showing signs of disrepair. She knows it needs professional attention because, after all, her home is a major investment and it's literally the roof over her family's head. Kathy knows she can't trust her roof to just anybody, so she's decided to call the most trusted roofing contractor she can find. She knows Heritage Contractors have a great reputation and that she'll get quality service and reliable, long-lasting, guaranteed repairs. So, if your roof is in need of some minor repairs, preventative maintenance, or even a major overhaul, get complete peace of mind about the roof on your house. Heritage Contractors specialize in residential and commercial roofing, replacement windows, and all types of siding, including LP SmartSide and James Hardie. Give us a call today at 773-887-0268.